Hey, what's up guys? Today on Expedition Fun, we're going to show you how to create your own DIY baby rattle. Expedition Fun! Alright, so first thing you need is a tornado tube. You can get these at most toy stores or educational stores. We got a spade bit, and what we're going to do is we're just going to hollow out. That hole is too small for gumballs to go through, so we're going to hollow that out right now. There we go. Now we're ready to screw it on to an empty 2-liter bottle. All right, got our empty 2-liter bottle here. Screw this on. Now we'll load the other 2-liter bottle with gumballs, screw that on, and we're all set to go. Pretty simple. If you have a funnel, great. You can load the gumballs into the 2-liter bottle. I don't have a funnel, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. I do approximately about 120 per 2-liter bottle. All right, there you have it. We have about 120 gumballs in, and we're gonna go ahead and connect it to our other 2-liter bottle. Just screw in the top. Pretty simple. Our kids love doing this. We usually will do 2 of these per kid, and we do relay races down the line with a bunch of kids. Endless fun. We bring them to their classroom. Your DIY version of a baby rattle. It's pretty simple. It's also a lot of fun. All right, next challenge. We got the baby rattle challenge. Flip those over. First one to get all their gumballs into the other bottle wins. Woo! On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, we got a winner! Landon wins! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick video on how to make your own baby rattle. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'd love to see your version of the baby rattle. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Expedition Fun, and we're out of here. Woo! Expedition Fun!